Introducing the essential toolkit for MacBook and Surface. Carefully curated by experienced technicians, this comprehensive toolkit provides everything you need for MacBook and Surface repairs, all in one convenient package. Having the right tools at hand can save you time, reduce the risk of damage. With this complete set, you'll have everything you need to tackle any repair with confidence. Let's see what's inside. Disassembly card. This versatile tool is designed to safely and effectively pry open device casings without leaving any scratches or marks. Pentalobe 0.8 screwdriver. Used for iPhone tail screws and MacBook plastic antenna bracket screws. Pentalobe 1.2 screwdriver. Used for most MacBook rear cover screws. Torx screws, widely used in electronic products, and one product design has multiple models. PT-T12 includes all the Torx screwdrivers needed for MacBook and Surface. Torx T5 screwdriver. Torx T3 screwdriver. Phillips 1.5 screwdriver. Torx T6 screwdriver. Torx T2 screwdriver. Isopropyl alcohol, very effective in dissolving glue when disassembling the screen, can also be used as a cleaning agent and will not damage electronic components. Brush can be used to clean fan dust to improve heat dissipation. Spudger, used to pry open FPC connectors. Plastic prying tool, used to pry open FPC connectors. Tweezers, used to pick up small components and screws, can also be used to pry up some small sticky components. The tip is relatively hard. Glue B7000, a commonly used electronic product adhesive. Suction cup, used to suck up the back cover when disassembling the MacBook. Triangle pick, used to pry open small gaps. Triangle opening pick, PT-302, used to continue prying open the edge glue. Safety razor blade, when the gap is small and narrow, you can use a safety blade to pry out a gap. Rubber bands, used to fix the screen, use B700 glue, generally fixed for 2 hours to achieve high strength. Wet, dry wipes, wipe off excess glue after repair and clean the screen. Next, we will introduce the application of tools in actual repairs. We will show you how to use these tools to remove the Surface screen, starting with the plastic prying tool, PT-T8. Use its elbow to press down the dust filter to make a gap in the screen, Then insert the triangle opening pick PT-3 to about 2 millimeters, swipe it all around, then insert it again about 8 millimeters, swipe it all the way around. Triangle opening pick PT-3 is specially designed for disassembly. The surface is polished to reduce friction and make the screen separation very smooth. For smoother sliding, apply a touch of isopropyl alcohol to the triangle opening pick. This deguming agent removes adhesive residue safely and effectively. The convenient dropper design allows for precise application, preventing accidental damage to sensitive components. Triangle pick PT-3 is also used in a similar way. When the screen is broken, swiping the screen will not be so smooth. At this time, you need to use the safety razor blade FYP-01 to pry out the gap with its sharp edge. Suction cup can be used together. The kit includes 8 precision screwdrivers with magnetic tips for effortless screw removal. Magnetism can prevent the screws from accidentally falling off and causing a short circuit on the motherboard, and also allows you to easily grab the screws. The Spudger PT-D118 is a versatile tool that can be used to pry open connectors, cameras, and batteries. Made from plastic, it offers a safer alternative to metal pry bars. No repair toolkit is complete without tweezers. These handy tools are essential for handling small and delicate components during repairs. The reinforced tweezers can also be used to pry open antennas and speakers.
There will be a lot of dust inside the laptop after being used for a long time. It is very convenient to use a brush to remove dust.
Glue B700 is a very widely used glue. Drip the glue along the edge. Be careful not to drip into the camera and electronic components. Please make sure the surface cleaning and drying. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes to adhere and alignment bonding a little pressure. It can take 24 to 48 hours for a full cure. Adjust the screen position and secure it with rubber bands. Once the glue is completely dry, remove the rubber bands. Wiping the screen clean with wipes is the final step. Thanks for watching.